Camping is a great way to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and get in touch with nature. However, it's not uncommon to feel exhausted after a camping trip. In fact, camping can be surprisingly tiring, and there are several reasons why. In this video, we'll explore 6 reasons why camping makes you tired and provide tips on how to fix it. Camping can be a fun and exciting way to connect with nature, but it can also leave you feeling exhausted and drained. Here are 6 reasons why camping can make you tired. Camping often involves a lot of physical activity, from setting up camp to hiking and exploring the outdoors. All this physical exertion can leave you feeling tired and sore. Camping is a break from your daily routine, which can be both exciting and exhausting. Your body may need time to adjust to the change in schedule and activities. Camping requires planning and preparation, from packing your gear to planning your meals. All this preparation can be time-consuming and draining. Traveling to your camping destination can be tiring, especially if it involves a long drive or flight. Camping is often a social activity, which can be both fun and tiring. Spending time with friends or family can be exhausting, especially if you're not used to being around people all the time. Camping often involves adapting to changes in the environment, such as sleeping in a tent or dealing with bugs and wildlife. All these changes can be stressful and tiring. While camping can be tiring, there are ways to avoid camping fatigue. By taking breaks, staying hydrated, and pacing yourself, you can ensure that you have a fun and energizing camping experience. Camping can be a fun and exciting adventure, but it can also leave you feeling tired and groggy. One of the main culprits of camping fatigue is the unfamiliar bed syndrome. Sleeping in a new and unfamiliar environment can be challenging, especially when you're used to the comfort of your own bed. Here are a few tips to help you understand and overcome this issue. One of the biggest challenges of camping is sleeping in a sleeping bag. While it may seem like a cozy and warm cocoon, it can also be a source of discomfort. Sleeping bags can be too hot or too cold, and they can also be too tight or too loose. It's important to choose a sleeping bag that fits your body size and shape, and to adjust the temperature according to the weather conditions. If you're too hot, try unzipping the bag or sleeping with your feet outside. If you're too cold, add layers of clothing or invest in a warmer sleeping bag. Another challenge of camping is sleeping on the ground. Hard and uneven surfaces can make it difficult to get a good night's sleep. To overcome this issue, invest in a good quality sleeping pad or air mattress. These can provide extra cushioning and support and can help regulate your body temperature. If you're still uncomfortable, try adding extra layers of clothing or using a pillow to prop up your head. Overall, the unfamiliar bed syndrome can be a challenge for campers, but with few adjustments, it can be overcome. By choosing the right sleeping gear and adjusting to the environment, campers can get a good night's sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and energized for the day ahead. Camping is a great way to get in touch with nature, but it can also be a great way to get in touch with your fitness goals. Here are some tips for staying active while camping. Hiking is a great way to get some exercise while enjoying the great outdoors. However, it's important to remember that hiking can be strenuous and should be approached with caution. Here are some tips for getting the most out of your hiking experience. It's important to warm up before hitting the trails. Start with a short, easy hike and gradually increase the distance and difficulty. Bring plenty of water and snacks to keep your energy levels up. Invest in a good pair of hiking boots and dress in layers to stay comfortable in changing weather conditions. Don't push yourself too hard. If you feel tired or uncomfortable, take a break or turn back. Camping is a great opportunity to get creative with your workouts. Here are some ideas for staying active at your campsite. Squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks can all be done without any equipment. Bring a yoga mat or towel and find a quiet spot to practice your favorite poses. Lightweight and easy to pack, resistance bands can add an extra challenge to your workouts. Frisbee, volleyball, and horseshoes are all fun ways to stay active with friends and family. Remember, the goal is to have fun and stay active, not overdo it and end up exhausted. Listen to your body and take breaks as needed. With a little creativity, camping can be the perfect opportunity to get in a great workout while enjoying the great outdoors. Camping is synonymous with outdoor cooking, and there's nothing quite like the smell of bacon sizzling on an open flame to get the appetite going. However, the wrong food choices can leave campers feeling sluggish and fatigued. Here are some common culprits and how to avoid them. Roasting marshmallows over the campfire is a beloved camping tradition, but the sugar rush can lead to a quick crash. Instead, consider these healthier alternatives: fresh fruit skewers, dark chocolate squares, or a homemade trail mix with nuts and dried fruit. Hot dogs are a camping staple, but they're often made with processed meats that can leave you feeling bloated and lethargic. Here are some better options: grilled chicken or fish, veggie burgers or portobello mushroom caps, or foil wrapped veggies with herbs and spices. In addition to making smarter food choices, campers should also focus on staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water and avoiding sugary drinks will help combat fatigue and keep energy levels up. With a little planning and preparation, campers can enjoy delicious meals without feeling weighed down. Camping is all about immersing oneself in nature. It's a chance to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and enjoy the great outdoors. However, nature can also be tiring. Here are a few reasons why. One of the most obvious aspects of nature that can make camping tiring is the presence of bugs. Mosquitoes, ticks, and other creepy crawlies can make it difficult to get a good night's sleep. In addition, constantly swatting away bugs can be exhausting. One solution is to bring bug spray and use it liberally. Another is to invest in a good quality bug net to keep the bugs at bay. Another aspect of nature that can make camping tiring is the weather. Extreme heat or cold can make it difficult to sleep, and rain can make everything damp and uncomfortable. One solution is to check the weather forecast before heading out and plan accordingly. Bringing extra blankets or a portable fan can also help regulate temperature and make sleeping more comfortable. In conclusion, nature can be both invigorating and tiring when camping. Being prepared with bug spray and appropriate gear for different weather conditions can help mitigate some of the fatigue. Camping can be an exhausting activity, but with a few simple fixes, you can enjoy your trip without feeling like a zombie. Here are some tips to help you combat camping fatigue. One of the biggest mistakes campers make is overpacking. It's essential to pack only what you need to avoid carrying unnecessary weight. Make a list of the essentials and stick to it. You don't need to bring your entire wardrobe. You're camping, not walking the runway. Another pro tip is to pack your gear in a strategic way. Keep the items you'll need first at the top of your bag, so you don't have to dig through everything to find them. Eating healthy food is crucial when camping. Junk food and sugary snacks will only give you a temporary energy boost, leaving you feeling sluggish later on. Instead, opt for nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean protein. It's also essential to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water will help keep your energy levels up and prevent dehydration. Getting a good night's sleep is vital when camping. Invest in a quality sleeping bag and pad to ensure you're comfortable throughout the night. If you're a light sleeper, consider bringing earplugs or a white noise machine to block out any noise. It's also crucial to stick to a regular sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day will help regulate your body's internal clock and ensure you get the rest you need. Finally, the best way to combat camping fatigue is to embrace the great outdoors. Take advantage of the fresh air and natural surroundings by going for a hike, swimming in a nearby lake, or simply relaxing in a hammock. Spending time outside has been shown to boost mood and energy levels, so make the most of your camping trip by connecting with nature. By following these tips, you can fix your camping fatigue and enjoy your trip to the fullest. Happy camping!